Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Amazon Realtalk. Today I want to share with you my experience about pros and cons on doing business on Amazon. After 6 years of my experience on Amazon, I can share with you the 5 biggest advantages why you should do business on Amazon and 5 biggest disadvantages why you should reconsider it. So why should you start your business on Amazon? Number one reason is it's free traffic that you can get. Compared to a Shopify store or a Facebook store, you should take care of your traffic and pay a lot of money to it. In Amazon, it's basically already for free because customers are already on Amazon with their credit cards ready to pay. Reason number two, it's the best place where you can create your own brand out of scratch. Otherwise, it would cost you millions to get your brand up and running. Reason number three is the best logistics compared to price and value that you can get. Customers get their products already on the next day after purchase or maybe 2 days, and it's lower than working with FedEx or DHL directly. Reason number four, it's actually easy to start because there are tons of manuals and communities out there, and a lot of people did it before you do, and there are millions of sellers that went this path and created their own private label brands. So it's just step by step, easy to start. And reason number five, and which is in long term maybe it's the most important reason for you, it's the global expansion of Amazon. Yes, if you're successful in one market, you can expand to next markets, next continents, and get bigger and bigger and bigger and ride the Amazon wave. Before we move on, please post your questions in the comments and we will create a separate video to answer all of your questions. Now let's move on to the disadvantages on doing business with Amazon. So there is not always the bright side, but also a dark side. So the first and most important disadvantage on working with Amazon, it's your full dependency on Amazon. Imagine it's the only customer that you have, and if they decide to stop working with you, your business will stop from one day to another. So it's a very high risk and dependent relationship. The reason number two is you don't own your customer data. Basically, Amazon forbids to use the customer data in any other business or any other customer contact besides on the platform of Amazon. So it's also very tricky because you can't use your customer data or your purchase history to create a higher LTV or resell products to your customers or upsell after they purchase the first time from your store. Reason number three, it's a constantly changing and evolving marketplace. Every new week we have new updates. It's changing super quickly, so you need to be always up to date, learning and learning new features, and your team as well. So it's never steady, it's always super dynamic. Reason number four is the rising competition. Yes, since it's a very lucrative marketplace, it's the biggest marketplace in the world, a lot of competition is coming, especially from the overseas, from China, and they are very aggressive in their marketing. So it's a really tough market. And the reason number five is disastrous, terrible technical support that you get from Amazon, and a lot of things that may be logical to you in the real life. In the Amazon world, there is completely different logic, and it's hard to understand at the beginning. But it will train your hardness and make you very stress resistant. So believe me, if you are not ready for this, don't do it. Okay, those were the 5 advantages and 5 disadvantages from my own experience. I want to hear your experience as well. Please share it in the comments and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.